Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can take a screenshot with a Nokia 7.2. So for that we will need the power button and the volume down button, and if you press these both buttons now for the same time you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume down button, press it for the same time and hold it for a moment and you will have a screenshot. And directly after you're able to share it or to edit the picture maybe, and if you want to crop just a part, maybe of a website, maybe a picture then from a website, then you have the opportunity for go on that symbol here. And here you can rotate the picture now and so on and so on. And you can crop a part of the screenshot. Like this may let us here crop the Google bar. And yeah, after go on done and go on save copy. Then it is part of your photos. So, and there's a second way. If you press the power button longer, you can off the phone and so on, you know that already, but here you have also the opportunity to go on screenshot after and you take a screenshot as well. So, and as I said, you have all the screenshots at your photos, and as you can see I had already some tries here, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, and if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.